If you use Excel and want to have ChatGPT directly inside Excel, OpenAI now has an official ChatGPT add-in. In this video, I will show you how to install it, how to sign in, and then we will use it with a real Excel file so you can see what it can actually do. Let's start by installing the add-in. Open Excel and go to Home. Then select Add-ins, search for ChatGPT. Before you install it, make sure you select the official add-in from OpenAI, click Add, Continue, and once it is installed, open ChatGPT from the Excel ribbon. Now we have two options to sign in to ChatGPT, either with our account or using the API key. In my case, I will sign in using my account. Okay, it asks me for my email, my password, and for MFA authentication, I will accept the terms and privacy. Here, select the best option for you. I will just select personal. And now I have a couple of tips here. Now let's try with an example. Here I have 3 months of sales data for Lakeside Market. There are 20 products, so I could compare all these numbers by myself, but instead I will ask ChatGPT to find the important changes. I have my prompt here, I select the model and I just send it. Now ChatGPT gives me a quick summary and highlights the most important changes. This saves me from comparing every number one by one. Let's try one more thing. I want to see the sales results in a chart, so I will ask ChatGPT to create one for me. ChatGPT asks me for permissions to edit my file. I will allow it for this chat. And there it is. ChatGPT created the chart directly in my Excel file. Now I can see how the total sales change over the 3 months. Before we finish, as always with AI, check formulas, calculations, and changes before you rely on the result. There are also a few limitations to know about. Chats in Excel are separate from your normal ChatGPT chats, and they don't use your ChatGPT memory. Also, advanced features like VBA and macros may not be fully supported. And that's it. You know how to add the official ChatGPT add-in to Excel and start using it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.